Welcome to the Texas Hill Country. Located near Marble Falls, Burnet, Texas offers 10 to 30 acre lots of peaceful and spacious home sites where you can truly unwind. With water and electricity already in place, your dream home is ready to come to life. These properties come with agricultural exemption, giving you flexibility in how to use your land. While you enjoy the quiet country lifestyle, you are just a short drive away from Marble Falls.